Hi and welcome back. This is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. This week's stamping collab was hosted by Mai from MaeNailDesigns, and the theme she chose is to celebrate National Puzzle Day. Here are the beautiful manicures that were prepared. Stay tuned to the end to see individual photos and check the description box for links to their videos. Let's get started. As a base, I'm already wearing this gorgeous NCLA gel polish called Nude BB Cream. I'm going to be stamping with my black Beauty Bigbang stamping polish, which is number 2. And from this plate JQ75, this is the image that I've chosen. I pressed down the stamper too hard onto my nail, so it smeared the image a little bit, so I'm just going to wipe it off and do it again. I cleaned it off and I'm going to try one more time. It looks a lot better. After cleaning up, I'll apply my Born Pretty Store No Smudge top coat. To give it a more finished look, I use this LA Colors Art Deco nail brush to outline the 2 nails. And I added a little bit of sparkle to the pink nails. And here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!